Peruvian guy. Hey, makeup. Come on.
Screwed up.
It's a celebration, bro.
It's a celebration.
We're going to Chinchero. Finally, after how many months we stayed stuck in Cusco. So we're gonna try to get to Piuray, the lake, and spend a couple of hours there. We don't have much time. It's like 1 p.m. approximately, and there's only transportation until 6. It's gonna take us there 40 minutes to an hour, but we need the van to get full of people so we can finally go.
Hello everyone, as always, hoping that you're doing great at home and you're safe because it's a special occasion. We are here today at Piuray Lake in Chinchero. Today is not a common day for us. This is the second Sunday of September, which means we in Peru celebrate the day of Peruvian gastronomy and cuisine. Peruvian food is always evolving, but always preserving the most important things and essences of this. I'm talking about our customs, traditions, and also the ancient heritage. The base of the Peruvian food is the fusion, starting from the Spanish colonization to the African, Italian, Chinese, and Japanese migration here. It was that important that some of these influences have like their own name here: Criollo food, Chifa, and Nikkei. In conclusion, Peruvian food is fusion. And this fusion keeps evolving. We keep going and nothing is gonna stop this. There's still a lot of flavors, a lot of different ingredients that we have no idea exist here. Our biodiversity plus the influence of these different cultures here made our gastronomy boom. And that is why it's that important for us. Thanks to this fusion, we Peruvians have developed a special palate for the thousands of different flavors that our cuisine has. Food is not just about eating. It's about a complete experience that involves human relations and celebrating ancient traditions. I know in these crazy times, it's really hard to think about traveling or visiting another place. I really hope that once this is over, you guys have the chance to come to my country. It's a beautiful country. We have a lot to offer. We have a lot of culture, history, traditions, and of course food. I'm really glad and I'm really pleased. I'm so happy to do what I'm doing right now with this channel, which is showing you more cuisine and sharing my culture that is really important to me. On the other side, there's music. There's a party on the other side of the lake. On the other side, cooking is not just that. It's a whole ritual where we get to mix our ingredients, and as a result, we obtain different aromas, flavors, and textures. And all of this represents the best of our cuisine, of the Peruvian gastronomy. I invite you guys to stay tuned to my channel. We're bringing a lot of really interesting things, especially food, but also some culture and traveling. I want to share with you my culture. This channel goes especially for you. If you have been to Peru and you love Peruvian food and you want to make it at home, this is for you. Also, for the ones that were planning to come here and because of the pandemic, they had to cancel the trip, this is also for you. But in general, if you like eating, if you have never been here, if you were not planning to come here, I hope that after watching my channel, the trips we're gonna make, the incredible food we're gonna show you, I hope you can join us in this journey. Sure. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this channel with your people. we're creating amazing content for you. So thank you so much. Thank you for giving us your time, and feliz día de la gastronomía y la cocina peruana. See you next time. Thank you so much.